My dear beloved brothers and sisters, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning po. We welcome all of you to our Eucharistic celebration this 7th Sunday in Ordinary Time, this 23rd of February. At nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Diyos sa pagtitipon niya sa atin at sa biyaya, sa lahat ng mga biyaya na atin pong tinatanggap. Alam niyo po, habang nagbabasa po ako ng mabuting balita, tinitignan ko po yung mga reaksyon ninyo. No? Kaya po ba nating gawin yung mga sinabi ni Jesus? No? No? With what we have heard today, it seems that all of us are really challenged. Mukhang mahirap gawin o maging totoo yung mga sinabi po ni Jesus sa araw na ito. Can we really love our enemies? Can we really do good to those who hate us? To bless those who hate us? Biruin nyo yun. No? Sinaktan ka na. No? Hahayaan mo lang. No? Are we able to double all our efforts? When the other cheek is slapped, we offer the other one as well. Ibigay mo daw ang pag may nakuhang isa, ibigay mo na ang lahat. To stop judging, to stop condemning, to forgive, to give gifts. And the list goes on. Madaling pong isipin at madaling marinig. Pero kaisa niyo po ko na magsasabing napakahirap gawin o maging totoo ito sa ating buhay. But my dear brothers and sisters, I would like you to invite to these teachings, to take these teachings of the Lord seriously. I know that we won't be at a loss when at least one or two or three or at least many of these will be possible for our daily life. But I wish once more to point out one single way for us to enter and even experience these teachings of the Lord. Let us admit, we will be down to the heaviest of all words that we can say. Pasakitan ng salita o ng gawa, marahil kaya nating maibigay. Padamutan sa pagpapatawad, sige, padamutan tayo sa pagpapatawad. Padamutan tayo sa mga bagay na mayroon tayo, sige. Madaming mananalo sa padamutan. If we will be unkind and won't be merciful, some would say that could be the easiest thing or the easiest choice that we can ever make. But ever wonder or have this POV, this point of view, na bago tayo magalit, bago tayo magmura, bago tayo magdamot, bago tayo magbitaw ng masasakit na salita, have we come to these thoughts and say to ourselves, teka lang, bakit ako magagalit? Bakit ako magdadamot? Bakit ako magsasabi ng masama sa kanila? Sino ba sila? Hindi ba parehas kaming anak din ng Diyos? At may kahinaan din ako at may kahinaan din siya. Who am I to speak and even to act like this in front of someone who is also weak and who is also at a loss? To this person who is exactly the same as myself. I am also weak. I am also sinner. I am also a sinner. I am also a needy person. I am also in need of patience. I am also in need of love. But why will I not choose to? Why will I hate? Why will I not love? Let us remember what David did to Saul. his friend was really telling him, meron ka ng pagkakataon para gumanti. Tulog si Saulo at nakatagbak lang sa gilid niya yung kanyang panaksak. Ayun na, gumanti ka na. But what David did and said, hindi ko gagawin yan. I see this person as the anointed of God. Marahil madami pong magbubulong sa atin, meron ka ng pagkakataon para manira. May pagkakataon ka na para wag magmahal, wag para magdamot. Gawin mo na. But I hope we have that point of view like that of David. To see the other, not your enemy, but a child of God. If we are just mindful of the person in front of us, for every encounter of testing our patience and of people really expressing their weaknesses, when we are drawn to forgive and even to invited to love, then we are certainly on a right track. When anger is fired, when the urge to hurt is there, when the guts to say bad things is there, please face the mirror. Try to face God. Try to face yourself as well. And remember what you will do and say. Bakit ako magagalit? Bakit ako magdadamot? Bakit hindi ako magmamahala? Why will I do such evil things? We will be expressing this to a person who may have done wrong or who is also weak. But they don't need your bad words and your discouragements. They need not our strong hands. They need our kindness. They need our mercy. And most of all, they need our love. And the next time that patience is tested, or when kindness is tested, o kapag muli naroroon na yung panahon na masarap gumanti, masarap magalit, masarap umaway, masarap magdamot, masarap manira. Remember God, remember others, remember yourself. Kinaawaan tayo at wala tayo sa lugar na ipagdamot ito. We were shown kindness, and we don't have the guts to be unkind. We were also given and blessed, and we don't have the right to be selfish. The one that you face needs not your anger, but your mercy. They need not our pride, but our kindness. They need not our arrogance, but our compassion. They need not an enemy, but a loving neighbor, someone they can also call Jesus every day, someone who is ready to be kind and merciful, loving and compassionate all the days of their lives.